Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fajar Asmat and I am a student of BS Chemistry. And this is the certificate for completing Introduction to SQL Server course. And it was awarded to me on March 18, 2022. Now I will discuss what I have learned in this course. Introduction to SQL Server, course number 4. First of all, we'll discuss chapter 1, SQL Server and Transact SQL. SQL Server relational database system is developed by Microsoft. Transact SQL or T-SQL is Microsoft's implementation of SQL with additional functionality. In this course, there are the I mastered the fundamentals of Transact SQL and learned how to write queries. Now we will discuss order by. Tables comprise of rows and columns. Queries return sets or subsets. Sets have no inherent order. If order is important, we use order by clause. Now we will discuss chapter 2, aggregating data. We will discuss having clause. Having clause can be used aggregate functions. In select, filter data using where. Having clause splits data into groups using group by. Now we will discuss the summary of different clauses. Group by clause splits the data up into combinations of one or more values. Where clause filters on row values. Having clause appears after the group by clause and alters on groups or aggregates. Now we will discuss chapter 3, joining tables. First of all, primary keys. Primary keys are uniquely identify each row in a table. Inner join only returns matching rows. Left join or right join. All rows from the main table plus matches from the joining table. Null clause displays if no match is found. At last, there is left join and right join, and they can be interchangeable. This diagram shows the difference between inner join, left join, and right join. In inner join, left table, it matches returned, non-matches discarded. For right table, matches are returned and non-matches are discarded. For left join, in a main table, all rows are returned, and in right table, matches are returned and non-matches are returned null. In right join, for left joining table, matches are returned and non-matches returned null. In right main table, all rows are returned. Now we will discuss chapter 4, which is creator. In this chapter, we learned that for selecting, we use select clause. For ordering, we use order by clause. For filtering, we use where and having clause. For aggregating functions, we use sum, count, minimum, maximum, and average clauses. For text manipulation, we use left, right, len, and substring. Group by clause, inner join clause, left join clause, and right join clause. Union and union all clause are also used. We have discussed the basic difference between union and union all clause in the previous course. Create, read, update, and delete, CRUD. We have also learned variables, temporary tables. Thank you. This was all from my side. I hope you have understood this course well.